He watched a country go from chronic blackouts to an actual power surplus. This is how Immignis built an EB-2 NIW case around the engineer who spent 17 years making that happen. 17 years, over 100 rural electrification projects. And he was personally trusted with the electrical system for Pakistan's first ever urban metro rail. Approved for an EB-2 NIW, self-petitioned. He's a Pakistani electrical engineer with an MS in electrical engineering and an executive MBA. His entire career spent at a utility serving 30 million people. He started in 2008, during one of Pakistan's worst power crises. 8 to 12-hour daily outages, factories shutting down. At the time, even critical facilities like hospitals had to rely entirely on backup generators to function. He spent 17 years inside that gap, closing it. Rural villages getting electricity for the first time. Distribution losses reduced. Systems modernized. Pakistan's grid position turned from deficit to surplus. Now the same skills point somewhere else. In 2025, the American Society of Civil Engineers graded U.S. energy infrastructure a D+, a downgrade from 4 years earlier. The Department of Energy projected in 2025 that without significant intervention, the U.S. could face a 100-fold increase in widespread outages by 2030. And it's not spread evenly. Rural utilities, tribal areas, Appalachia, the Gulf states face the longest outages and are consistently last in line for grid modernization investment. That's not a different problem than the one he already solved. It's the same problem in a different country. National importance, backed by a national energy emergency and a DOE warning of exponential outage growth. Positioning, proven by over 100 completed rural electrification projects. Not a plan, a track record. And a case for independence, because rural grid modernization needs to reach many utilities, not one. His proposed endeavor, 8 integrated components, from AI-enabled grid diagnostics to decentralized rural microgrids, and self-healing fault detection, built to bring modern, resilient power to underserved American communities. 17 years of real, verifiable infrastructure delivery, translated into a petition tied directly to a national energy emergency the federal government had already declared. His petition was officially approved, marking a major milestone for U.S. energy infrastructure. If your career is in electrical distribution, grid modernization, or rural electrification, this case is worth a few minutes of your time. Free assessment, no obligation.